G is for Giraffe with Hopi. Look at the big, bright letter G. Hopi is ready for a grand adventure today. She wants to find everything that starts with her favorite letter. Can you say G with Hopi? G says go go go. Hopi skips outside and finds a gorgeous garden. It is filled with glowing flowers and buzzing bees. G is for garden, Hopi says with a giggle. Everything is so colorful and bright. High above the trees, Hopi sees a very long neck. It's Gigi the giraffe. Gigi is so tall she can touch the clouds. G is for giraffe, says Hopi. Gigi leans down to say hello. Gigi the giraffe loves to reach the high branches. She stretches her neck up to find the tastiest leaves. Gigi is the gentlest giant in the whole garden. Suddenly, someone goes baa. It's Gus the goat. Gus is a very silly goat. He is wearing a funny hat and dancing on his hooves. G is for goat. Hopi laughs. Gus is so goofy. Gus the goat is hungry. He finds a patch of thick, emerald grass and starts to munch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. G is for green grass, Hopi says. It looks like a soft, fuzzy carpet. Hopi finds a snack too. Hanging from a vine are big, juicy grapes. They are purple and sweet. G is for grapes, says Hopi. She picks a bunch to share with her friends. What is that lovely sound? Hopi finds a shiny, golden guitar leaning against a tree. Strum, strum, strum. Hopi makes a happy song. G is for guitar. She sings loudly. The sun is warm and the grass feels so good. Hopi decides to roll around and play. The garden is the greatest place to be. G is for great. Hopi shouts as she tumbles. It is time to go home. But Hopi has had the best day. She gives Gigi the giraffe a big, warm hug. G is for goodbye, Gigi, Hopi says. What a grand G adventure. G is for Giraffe with Hopi. Subscribe Hopi and Friends.